Hello, let's learn 20 simple and easy questions and their answers today. What is your name? My name is Ima. My name is Ima. How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Where do you live? I live in a small city. I live in a small city. What do you do? I work in a shop. I work in a shop. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Yes, I speak a little English. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Yes, I like coffee. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is rice. Do you have a friend? Yes, I have one friend. Yes, I have one friend. Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea. Where do you work? I work near my house. I work near my house. Can you read English? Yes, I can read a little. Yes, I can read a little. Can you write English? Yes, I can write a little. Yes, I can write a little. Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Do you have a job? Yes, I have a job. Yes, I have a job. What do you eat in the morning? I eat bread and eggs. I eat bread and eggs. Do you go to work every day? Yes, I go every day. Yes, I go every day. Are you happy? Yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. Thank you so much.